Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. As we have some events coming up like Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, so we will try to work with this type of niche. So I'll discuss uh, about 5 Christmas niche idea in today's video. So I request you to watch my today's video carefully from start to end. In this video, I want to discuss with you about 5 Christmas niche idea. So you have to uh, find out, you have to narrow down uh, shortly from these 5 niche ideas. So we'll search Amazon KDP Marketplace, and our first niche idea is Christmas llama coloring book. Our first niche idea is Christmas llama coloring book. Christmas llama coloring book already 27 2022 already published. Christmas llama coloring book. Christmas llama coloring book for kids, for adult, which you will use to wish. Here 2000 results already done Christmas llama coloring book. So you have to find out and you have to research, you have to narrow down this Christmas llama coloring book, and of course you must be give Christmas llama coloring book of micro niche. So our second niche idea is Christmas Magi activity, Christmas Magi activity books. So here there is a 30,000 results. So huge amount of books already upload. So you have to narrow down of Christmas magic activity books. So here Christmas activity book for kids ages 4 to 8. So you can search this niche. Here there is a result only 1000 such results. Christmas activity book for kids ages 4 to 8. So here there is a results Christmas magic activity books 30,000 results. So from this is a big niche, and from this big niche you have to narrow down to find out a micro niche. So Christmas activity book for kids ages 4 to 8. We are narrow down and find out such results only 1000. So this is a micro niche. So this is a micro niche. So we are always work micro niche, not big niche. So in such a way, you have to find out micro niche. And another and we can see Christmas Magic book for kids. So we also search that Christmas Magic book for kids. Here 30,000. So we take out another niche. Christmas bulb activity book for adult and senior. We also search this. Here the 23 results Christmas bulb activity book for adult and seniors. So uh, uh, 30,000 results we can find out. From 30,000 results we can find out 23 results. How? In such a way you can find out micro niche. So our third niche idea is Christmas nonogram puzzle. Christmas nonogram puzzle book. Here the results only shows 232. So there is a very micro niche. There is a micro niche and with a profitable niche. So Christmas nonogram logic puzzle. Here 12 review. Here 12 review. Nonogram puzzle book. Nonogram puzzle book. Halloween and Christmas. If you want combine Halloween with Christmas, then you have to do it. No problem. So we can find the profitable niche Christmas nonogram puzzle book. You have to I personally suggest you have to work Christmas nonogram puzzle book. So our fourth niche idea is Christmas Bunny Christmas journal. Bunny Christmas journal. Bunny Christmas journal. Here there is the results 10,000 Bunny Christmas journal. So Bunny Christmas journal. Merry Christmas Bunny notebook. Bunny Joy Christmas journal. Mew Christmas planner. So cute Christmas Bunny journal. Bunny Christmas journal notebook. So huge amount of product you can find out from one niche. So today we are discuss about first Christmas puzzle books for adults, Christmas magic activity books, and third one Christmas nonogram puzzle book, Bunny Christmas journal, and fifth one is Christmas llama coloring book. So today we are discuss about 5 Christmas niche ideas. So from these 5 niche ideas you have to found um, in such a way micro niche. So we are always work in micro niche, not a big niche, to get a more revenue, to earn more revenue from Amazon KDP. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with more niche, more ideas about Amazon and KDP business. So, uh, thank you so much. Thank you all.